go ahead and get a mask. And so this is what you could do if you're really nervous about putting your face on the camera. Well, go ahead and get a mask and see how that works out for you. Because the thing is, the goal here is to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. How are you going to do that if you cannot make a connection with your audience, your viewers? This will hold you back from building a community of people that you need in order to be successful making a YouTube channel. So try this, and once you get comfortable with it, I believe that you can go ahead and come out of the mask. It might sound ridiculous, but don't until you try it. Because the bottom line is, you got to try things that work for you. And your community, your people, they might just appreciate what you're doing here. It's showing them that sometimes you got to think out of the box. Because when you're trying to build a community, trying to get your viewers' attention, trying to let them know that, hey, I'm a person just like you, well, you got to be honest with them and tell them, you know, I'm just trying something and maybe it will work for you too. So let me know down in the comments if this makes any sense to you. Do you think that it's ridiculous? Do you think that you might try this? Would you tell a friend about it? It's important to ask these questions. Do you think that you might try this? Would you tell a friend about it? It's important with your viewers to get inside their mind and allow yourself to cater to them. Because after all, this channel, when you make a YouTube channel, it's not for you. The YouTube channel is for the viewer. And asking them questions, asking them what they want, is one of the easiest ways to deliver and give them what they want. I mean, leave it down in the comments what you guys want. This channel is for you. If there's something that you are not being able to find on YouTube, let me know and I'll bring it to you. Because my goal here is to get to know my audience, build my community, and be successful for my community. I'm aiming to get me 1,000 new subscribers get me 1,000 new subscribers get me 1,000 new subscribers that will be communicating with me, that wants to collaborate with me, and wants to build their community based off some of the techniques that I'm using. it's best to find people when collaborating and building your community that think alike. It makes things a lot easier when you got people that are thinking alike instead of people that are butting heads. But don't get me wrong, it's good to have people challenge you in your way of thinking and your methods, because this will allow you to grow as a YouTuber. You don't know everything, and you shouldn't think that you do. What you should do is always be open-minded, considerate, willing to take a challenge from your community. And just maybe then, you will notice that your channel starts to grow because you're on people. I'm happy to have my YouTube channel. I've been doing this for a year and 4 months. I was monetized in 3.5 months, but my ignorance got me demonetized a month later. Now, I have ran into a lot of trial and error since then. You don't know what you got yourself into until you actually have started to dig the hole. Many of you guys have ever worked on a car motor and you thought it wasn't much of a problem until you actually got underneath the hood and you noticed it was just one thing after another. Well, that's the way it is with YouTube. You're not going to be able to predict what is in front of you. No matter how much you listen to people and try to mock them, you're going to run into roadblocks of your own. So, be original, be considerate, don't give up, and when you feel like quitting, that's when I want you to go ahead and get up and make a video. No matter what you're feeling like, because that's the video that's going to put you through the threshold to be a YouTuber. It's not when it's all fun and it's all peachy. It's when it sucks. It's when you're crying. It's when it seems like everybody's against you and nobody's watching you and you are not getting anything right. That's the time you got to get up, woman up, man up, and do what you gotta do. And then, maybe, just maybe, you'll be able to come out from behind the mask and let the people see who you really are. Hey, thank you for coming out and seeing my channel. And I hope this helped you out. I hope this helped out somebody, because I really believe that it was the right thing to do. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Hey, like, subscribe if you're going to come back. If anything, share this video with your community, your social media, because somebody you know is going to be grateful for this video and you'll make their day. Hey, you made mine just by being here. Thanks a lot, guys. See you soon on the next one, alright? Take it easy.